What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete. Back again. This time, we're working on the Ghia chassis behind me. You just got done watching Joey do his magic. The surgeon that he is, the metal surgeon. He slices, he dices, he's Ron Popeil of the metal. We're gonna dissect what he did, what we're gonna do, and how we're gonna do it. You guys ready? So, this is Joey's mastery, the scissor hands. As you saw in a couple clips earlier, we located a chassis that was on a roof here in the valley, and the pan halves were pretty clean. And they had the tar boards, there was really no rust to be seen. We decided to take it to our friends over at Xpress Stripping, and they did a job on it, came back, and now all the pan halves have holes in them. So not all the pieces, just some of the pieces. So we had talked with the guys over at Xpress Metal out in California about the proper way to peel the original pan halves that were here, and see if we can't just transplant them, the whole thing, onto it. And after finding out all the rust was in there, we decided against it. So we ordered new pans, and because Funky Green Panels and Wolfsburg Wests and all the good guys don't make them, we ended up with this pile of poop. It is a pile of poop, folks. The biggest pile of poop, splits in it. This is how they come. Splits there. Look at this amazing bend here. Amazing. Looks so good. So, what we decided to do, we like this battery tray area. Not battery, no, I call it battery area. The back area. Better on the OEM one than this one, because the stampings are just terrible, and we have to do something like turn poop into ice cream here. So we're gonna cut it and splice it into this piece, the original piece, and use the majority of the center section of this. And because these don't come with seat rails, we got the seat rails right there. And because I'm OCD and I hate how this looks, and am I gonna manhandle this and English wheel it and get it all nice? Nope. I'm gonna take that part out of that one, and I'm gonna graft it into this one, so that this Tetris of chassis will now have proper seat tracks, no holes, nice clean edges, and we're gonna give the Ghia family what they deserve. A clean job done by the folks who care. I'm one of them. And that is what we're gonna do in the next video. We got it started mocking up over here, got it all straightened out. Gonna shoot some sheet metal screws. And the next week, Thanksgiving week, we're gonna put this together and see if we can't get it done before the holiday break. And if not, hopefully the world doesn't end.